Hey, these are brand new valves. I would like to keep them in the motor. Holy cock! That's loud. Cool. Discard button. This Civic Type R behind me has been an absolute roller coaster of emotions. A year ago, I bought it. It was completely totaled. Spent a couple months rebuilding it back to factory. Got bored of it after a couple weeks, and then I decided to all-wheel drive swap it, put a K24 in it, built the motor, put it on the dyno, blew it up, pulled it, built it again, and now we are back on the dyno for hopefully, fingers crossed, the very last time.
Surprised you didn't hire a new tuner.
I should have after last time.
Thanks, pal.
You ready for round? No, I can't even see you.
Can't see me. My baldness must be blinding you.
You ready for round 2 or what?
I'm ready for round 2. Is your motor ready for round 2?
Well, if the tuner don't bend the valves again.
Damn. Sorry. I'll make sure not to hit the Bluetooth camshaft button again.
Do you have advice for the experts on the internet claiming you blew my car up?
Yeah, the advice is don't be a pussy. Just gonna start on the base ground. Whenever starting tuning a car, start on wastegate, get a solid fuel curve. Once we get that dialed in, we'll turn up boost. We've already tuned the car anyway, so timing map's gonna be dialed in. But just going down the gate, which if I remember right, was around 13 pounds. So we'll start in the basics there.
I mean, as long as it makes more than
a Subaru.
If the Honda don't make more than a Subaru, then
you got tuner problems.
Then I need a new tuner.
I'll load this on and start our day.
First pull on the dyno, we were starting to have issues. You can see here the car is running extremely rich, even though the wideband is showing otherwise, and then the Haltech dash starts tweaking out, randomly shutting off mid-pull.
We have been having nonstop Haltech CAN hub issues, so I'm trying to get it sorted. As you can see, we got a big mess going on here, but the dash is randomly turning off as well as the wideband, so we're gonna add in a relay that goes in between this CAN hub right here and the Haltech ECU. All right, we got this thing finally acting right. So what I had to do was add in this connector here that has a power and a ground. So adding in that separate switch power harness fixed all of our issues that we were having with the CAN system. Now that we have proper voltage to the wideband, we're actually getting proper readings. Before we were tuning off the wideband was actually reading improperly and we didn't know. But now that we know, of course we fixed it.
With all of the Haltech CAN issues fixed, you can see this thing is running much, much cleaner. Still a little bit rich here, but this goes to show the importance of having a properly working wideband.
She just made 588 wheel and 430 foot-pounds on pump gas on only 20 pounds of boost. I used to not like Hondas, but I'm starting to really like Hondas.
3 pulls later, 588 wheel horsepower. We were all finished up with pump gas. Time for the fun stuff, ethanol.
All right, pump gas is drained, E85 is in. This is where it blew up last time, so cross your fingers that all goes smooth today. I'm a little nervous. To start, we have a boost target of 26 pounds. It's gonna be like 650, 670 wheel. I think that's a boost cut. Turned up quite a bit, made 703 wheel on the Mustang dyno. That's ridiculous. You turning her up or what?
Pulling fuel out on this percentage seal there. You turned it up 32 pounds, next one.
Trying to break the record already?
Trying it.
Josh has tuned probably over 100 cars on this dyno with this exact turbo size, which is a Precision 6466. The record for this turbo on the dyno is 627 wheel horsepower, and I believe that came from a Subaru. Our goal, of course, is to beat that.
That should be mid 700.
Mid? Like 750? That sounds mid to me. 728. No, 735. 737, damn, it's like you've done this before. Is that the record yet?
That's the record.
Fuck yeah. No way.
Took the record and on 30 pounds.
That's the record, baby. First 6'4".
Good.
I mean, you want to keep going or are we done?
Alright, I can keep going. It's up to you.
I don't care.
Good. Car didn't break up. There's nothing
This is
weird.
perfect. It's a beautiful graph.
Is at 84%.
That's it?
That's it.
I like the 2000s.
That's some good power there, boy.
Thanks, bro. Thank you. Very, 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 very excited right now. I'd be happy with that. That's only 31 pounds of boost. Josh wants to go up a little bit more, which of course I'm okay with. But man, 738 wheel on a Mustang dyno, that ain't no joke. It'd be insane to see like 750, but I don't know if this turbo's got enough in it to make 750 wheel. Nuts, absolutely nuts. All right, we have a target of 38 pounds right now, and if it doesn't hit it, it's because we are out of wastegate spring pressure, which is completely fine. Come on, baby, let's go. That was a clutch.
Damn.
Clutch was gone.
Damn.
That was a lot of power. I could hear it.
Damn, I felt it. I was like, do I go? Because I thought it spun the tire at first.
Maybe it spun. I don't know.
I felt like it spun the tire in here.
I don't know.
But that's fine. We can call it.
I mean,
see what it made, but it felt like it spun the tire.
Maybe it spun the tire. I thought that was clutch. It could have been tire.
Yeah, what the fuck? It sounded like clutch.
We verified it was tire spin, not clutch, thankfully. So Josh is doing some things real quick, and we're gonna run it one more time.
There you go, you pussy.
Son, that's what I'm talking about.
There you go.
768.
Stop to see what it is.
What's your guess?
I'm going 777, baby.
Are you?
I don't think it went that high. I think probably 775.
You ready? Damn, you're spot on.
Called it the first time.
You did. Let's call over there. Holy fuck. 745, bro. 573 foot-pounds. This little clutch is crying. That, my friends, is 745 wheel. Holy shit. That's 30 more wheel than Bobby's STI makes, and Bobby's STI is dumb. It is ridiculous. Hold up, do that again. What the hell? That's rowdy. Sir, you're a little rambunctious in here. There's your flames you wanted, Jared. That's Jared wishing he had a cool car still. Does this make you want a cool car again?
That's called my eardrums are gone, bro.
It's called you're a bitch, Jared. Hey, these are brand new valves. I would like to keep them in the motor.
I'll put that in soft for you.
I like that. That was cool. All right, we're calling her there, boys. I would like to keep this motor together today. All right, that's good. Can you check the data log to see if my valves are hurting yet? Holy shit. We got one hit before it gets dark. Way too much power. The last time we went in this car, we made, what, 350 or 400?
With the all-wheel drive Civic running better than ever, making absolutely ridiculous power, I could not be more stoked to see how this thing feels out on the street.
Well, boys, wish us luck. We're gonna go do a hit on the street. Of course, there's quite a bit more load on the street versus on the dyno. So, hopefully the clutch stays in the chat. Get that crisp startup. Should I pull a Remy and do a launch in front of your shop and hit Dirt's truck and break my neck?
Yeah. Honda boy.
Big Honda boy. They don't even know, bro. This whole build is your idea.
It spawned from an idea, and I think you put it perfectly.
Nah, it's just a pile.
Far exceeds my expectations of how
Willis.
it's done.
Willis.
Except for the tubs.
Hey, fucker.
You know how I feel about wheel tubs, but they look good. Not as good as wheel tubs to milk. Damn, so that means this thing should shift.
That means, dude, I'm so scared of this whole entire drivetrain. It freaks me out. It's such a heavy car compared to like the EM1, for example.
But it's from a roll.
Yeah.
I don't think we're launching it.
I don't think I'm gonna do nothing crazy. Dude, my alignment, I think my front wheels are like this. It's gonna send us into the ditch.
Are you excited to be in the final stages? Hopefully this.
Dude, I'm so excited. Hey, fuck, oh! Little stuck, took out a bird.
Watch out, little birdie.
I need tires. I might need a clutch.
Feels pretty fast.
I think that was clutch and tire at the same time. Pretty
Just tire. 40K fluid in it?
I think so, yeah.
It's still gonna spin the front a little bit.
I'll do a third if it spins now. Yeah, it still spins in third, bro.
Yeah.
Holy cock.
Don't be a little bitch on me. You're gonna do a 2-3.
A 2-3? It's gonna spin the whole time, bro.
Revving out, actually. That's fast.
Bro, it's too fast.
That's fucking fast.
Dude, these tires. I got 225, 40 Nam Kangs on her, dude. She ain't hooking up at all. Holy cock. Alright. I wanted like not good tires on here so I don't break shit, but now it doesn't even go anywhere.
It goes, you're just not even revving it out all the way.
You want to drive, Willis?
You're missing. No. I ain't breaking it for you.
That's the thing, dude. I want to pussyfoot around so I don't break it again.
It feels solid.
And it comes
spinning, it's doing what it's supposed to. It's supposed to save the drivetrain.
on that. It feels like I'm doing a wheelie.
It feels like we're doing a wheelie.
Holy shit, Josh.
Let it cool down, we'll go on the better road.
Holy shit.
Is it fast enough for you?
Bro, this is ridiculous.
Certainly need
I like how it sounds.
third.
So, also another problem is...
Isn't this center itself?
Huh?
You should just be able to push forward and then go.
Yeah, but...
Put it second, man. Put the clutch in. And then just push forward, look.
No, I understand.
I know.
Go look at my shifter bushings.
Oh,
they're all drilled out for the old housing, so they're floppy as fuck on the thing. I don't know if that's what's causing it, but are these straight cuts loud enough?
Not bad. Honestly, I could deal with it.
Yeah, and then fifth is just...
Not bad.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to adjust my cluster.
This shit's fast.
Well, it'd be a little faster if I wasn't being a bitch. The last thing I want to do is pull this thing apart again, bro.
Are you gonna give Bobby a ride?
Yeah.
We'll go to what started this talk. The same road we did the pull in the Honda M1.
Yeah, it's not grabbing third.
It's fucking fast up top.
Bro, the limiter sounds so good. Sorry, folks. They're like 12. They should enjoy it.
That shit's fast up top.
Let me fix them shifter cables, then I'll grab third. You can feel free to try, bro.
I don't want to break it, make it go. I'm not trying to main shift it. It feels great. I'm stoked for you to get to enjoy it.
It's ridiculous. Something weird's going on with the clutch. I don't know if it's a hydraulic system, but when I go to hit third, I have like 2 inches of pressure at the bottom only. But then as soon as I let out, it's fine. It's like overspinning it or some weird shit.
Fire truck.
I was gonna say, don't tell me.
Let them go ahead of us.
Bro, yeah, something's going on. Axle?
No, that's drive shaft.
Huh?
Drive shaft. Oh. Yeah. Dang it. Go up that road right there, maybe.
That's loud. I don't like that.
No.
It broke the driveline before the goddamn clutch.
I don't know. Or T-case.
It's got a built T-case. I don't think it's the T-case.
Typoid?
Those are good for a lot of power.
Alright, let's see what it is.
I bet the drive line's hanging down.
Damn.
What'd you find, Willis? Ah, fuck. So we're leaking something. This axle's there. Nice. Do you want to? You want to try?
Forward?
You want to try to spin it, or you want me to? The CV's not spinning at all. It is? It broke something in the trans, didn't it?
Yeah, right over here. I'm in first right now.
Because if it's just,
If I go second?
if it was T-case, it would still move with the fronts, right?
How would it break a main? I don't know. Something bad broke with how it felt. It seems like T-case wise, but
You think? But with just
what makes
T-case,
the car fucking shudder that bad?
I think if it was
It tried
T-case,
to move,
yeah.
and then it just was free, nothing.
Son, we're gonna need a tow.
My wife's gonna be pissed.
Oh Lord.
I'm so glad you broke this shit.
Hey, bitch.
It's your car to break.
I wish it was you
I'm calling
driving.
for a tow. Hello, would you like to send, well, would you like to come tow us? Because this shit's fucking grenaded. Yeah, it was because we were around Jared. This shit yeeted a rod. It was all that wastegate duty at the beginning.
You fucking with me or no?
No, I'm dead ass.
We're stuck.
Alright.
We're over by the apartments, right in front of him.
Full road? Alright. Okay. Bye-bye.
You want to get me a new marriage while you're at it?
Yeah, I'll try.
I'm thinking of something in the trans. I don't know. It's either that or the hypoids.
It's either that or something in T-case. But why would, if it was T-case, the car should still drive?
That's what I was saying.
So, yeah,
it should
it would
still,
be-
I mean, when we scattered the EM1, it still drove home.
That or it broke both front axles.
That's possible.
That is possible because then it wouldn't drive anything, but then when it drives the rear,
What do you think, Jared?
I'm sad for you
Why?
because I knew you were happy to be done with it.
blame the tuner.
How does the clutch feel?
It felt fine. Go
So
put
it's
it.
not the
That
clutch.
shit was mint.
So wait, you still don't know what happened?
We were fucking with you, Jared. It didn't eat a rod.
The trans is spinning and they're making noises, but it ain't going. So either you stripped all the teeth on every gear or broke the main shaft.
All right, old girl's crunching around as we try to push it, so we're bringing her on the trailer. Got to be final drive. We decided. It's the only thing I didn't upgrade. Heavy ass car. Time to gut it. Ah, she won't move. She's stuck, bro.
Yeah, it hit that spot.
Well, if we can get past that spot. Yeah.
There we go. I got her.
Go to the right a little bit.
One sec. I gotta throw my rip.
Is it on? Yep.
Yeah, we're good. Oh, damn, this trailer's nice. For all the broken shit that I ever.
Off the brake, Devin?
Yeah, it's off. Oh, she's rolling tits. Fucking mint. All right. Well, let's cruise on home. Just drop me off at my shop real quick. Fuck, I don't have a winch in my trailer.
You're taking Devin to the shop, right?
No.
I'm just fucking with you.
I think I know what it is. After talking to Brian Moore, final drive. Has a stock final drive in it, which I told was fine at this power, but
I mean, the way it comes in,
yeah, true.
it's pretty spicy there.
She lights. Sad. 2 dyno sessions, 2 trailer sessions, Josh. Blame the tuner.
I always break everything.
I'll blame this one on you because it made so much damn power. Good thing it's not raining. He won't drive his truck in the rain. Bougie boy. That's why I need a shitty truck like mine. We would have been fucked if it was raining. He would have left us there. Seems like you've done this like 800 times. You break a lot of shit. Fuck this car. I'm going home and crying. You know what I'm doing today? Drinking that goddamn beer. Ow, fuck. Probably dented my fender. Oh, this?
Carbon.
Cool. Fuck this car. I'm going home.